What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great, amazing tech video. Well, the video of today is all about the camera microphone. So enough of me talking, let's get started through the video of today. Yeah, there we have it. As you can see, this kind of microphone is called K3. Now, what I like about this kind of microphone is obviously because of our camera here, the mirrorless, not DSLR. It's a mirrorless camera from Sony, and I wanted an external microphone which is really at ease. So I saw this with someone having it, and it pumped me, and I wanted just to order it so as we can check it out and see what's goody. So we can have unboxing out of it and experience if the sound is good or it might be not, but I believe the sound is incredible good. So enough of me talking, we're gonna just unbox it and see what's packed inside. So guys, here we have it. This is our microphone, as you can see, which is really amazing, and we're gonna just get started throughout unboxing it and see what's happening, because I'm really pumped on this kind of microphone to see what's packed inside. So let us just unbox it and see what's happening. So let's pull out this box here. I guess there's no any kind of sticker in there. Whoa, this is amazing. So as you can see, guys, this is how our microphone it is. So we're having two microphones on this side, and we're having this receiver. Now before we get started through them, let's see what's happening on the box. I believe it's a USB-C, and it's really amazing. So let us just check it out first, what's inside here. Yeah, let's see. Whoa, nice. So it's a USB-C and a USB-A on this side, which is really amazing. Kind of stuff, you're getting this kind of paperwork, which it's really incredible to read it, because you just need to get started and understand about the microphone. This is our microphone in here. So this is one microphone, and it uses a USB Type-C for charging, which is really amazing. And I think this is a signaling, I guess so. And another kind of stuff is just the same as this one, because there are two of them, which is really amazing. And on this side, you are having the connector now. This is the bad boy. You just need to get connected throughout it. So when you turn it on and you connect it throughout your camera, it will just be detecting, and it will just receive throughout this other bad boy. So we're gonna just try it out and experience and see what's happening. To be honest, I kind of like the way they kept it, which is really amazing. And you can see you can even charge it too with USB Type-C. Now, talking about the battery time, I believe the battery times last longer. It might be staying for almost like how long? Let's see. They usually write it somewhere. If not, I'll just cross-check it on my phone, because they usually write it somewhere. You can see, guys, it stays with power for 15 hours. And something which is so great about this mic, which I like about it, the transmission goes up to 20 meters, which is really insane. And it's really cool, because it shows you that how much quality you can get, because I saw it somewhere here on top. You can see it says 20 meters sensitive radio, true noise reduction, and it is even having stable transmission and ultra long endurance, because on the box side you'll get it on Chinese. You won't understand what they usually say. Oh, there's English in here, so it's quite not bad, but still I think revisiting on the specs of the phone, it's much convenience. And by the way, I got it from AliExpress. I'll leave a link down below there, which is really budget microphone, but still we need to test it and see what's happening. Okay guys, right now I'm using the microphone, so it's really amazing, and you can hear my sound, how much it's speaking. To be honest, I kind of like it, but the only thing when you get this microphone, just know on the receiver side, you have to press it 3 times. There is one for the green, which means is for the amplifier, and for the blue, it means for the phone and camera. And for the third one is for the sound card, because you can even keep it on the sound card, which is really amazing on this kind of microphone. So this is my sound through the microphone. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking. Is this kind of microphone really good, or what do you think about it? Because the first microphone which I was shooting on the video before I unboxed this, it was this Boya mic, which it's like a shotgun, which I kept it on the hot show, which it was really amazing. But throughout this K9, it seems like to be amazing, because it even comes with a second microphone in the house, which if you're doing interview for 20 meters range, I don't know what are you doing throughout 20 meters range. I guess the only distance which you'll give yourself throughout if you're shooting a podcast or, you know, the talking video is a little bit distance, like 3 meters, 2 meters, even sometimes just 1.5 meters, it's enough depending on you, but how much you're shooting. But capability wise, it goes up to 20 meters, which is really insane. So this kind of microphone, it's really portable. It's just easy to carry it, because I was using the Boya microphone, which is so freaking big, and I didn't like it because sometimes setting it up, it was crazy. It was just to give somebody the receiver and keep it on the pocket, and it was insane. But this one comes really in handy, and it's really portable, and it's easy to carry. You can keep it even in your bag. The only thing which I can say, they didn't give us a case, but there's a next microphone, I believe it might be having a case, which you're gonna unbox it too, but this one doesn't come with a case. I wish it could be having like a case. You snap it. Let me show you something. Speaking about the case, you remember this Green Lion microphone? It has a case. I wish these ones too could have a case like this one. It would be much easy to carry, and you cannot even forget them anywhere, because it's just easy to carry them. But still, since then, I have some small pouches. I can just keep them, and it's really amazing. So that's what's up, guys. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about these microphones, and to be honest, from my perspective, they're really good. And yeah, that's what's up. So guys, I've taken the video which I shot on my camera and kept it on the machine to try to play back, but still I got some sound. It's like sound behind whenever I'm speaking. It's okay, but it's just sound interfering. I don't know what's happening. I believe throughout Sony, it might be the problem with this port, these pins counting. I believe so. But something which fascinated me, because I tried to test it differently, because right now the microphone which I mounted again for shooting this second video is throughout the Boya mic, which I showed you. Now this one here, right now I'm gonna keep it. You can see it's green, right? And this side it's blue. That means we are good, but we just have to plug it on the phone to get the audio. Now I'm gonna keep my mic here, and I'm gonna take my phone, the Kin. You see the Kin? The Kin is incredible. So I'm gonna keep on the Kin here, so as some of you guys can see. And what's so great about it, we're gonna go to Dolby. Now automatically on Dolby, it's just there. Let me decrease my lightning so as you guys can see. So basically on Dolby, it's just speaking fine. Now let me say I'm recording. This audio right now I'm speaking with you guys is actually directly throughout the Kin phone using the Dolby app, which is really incredible. There's no any kind of shish sound, like shh, those kind of sound, there's none, but it's actually 100% recording perfectly, and I have no any problem about it. When I keep this transmitter on the camera side, it gives me some weird sound, but when I plug it in on the phone, it's actually working 100% perfectly. And this audio you can hear me is actually for recording on the Dolby side, and I'm not even filtering the audio. It's just the same audio, because Dolby has a feature where you can filter the audio if you want something clean. But this mic is just incredible, to be honest. I kind of love it. I kind of vibe with it because it comes within dual. Then I can just do some interview with someone, and later on my post-production, I can just take the audio which I've recorded and keep it on the video. I think it might be a hassle, but that's the only solution we have for now. But I believe on other cameras like Canon and Nikon, it might be working fine. But for the Sony side, this kind of mic, it's like it has opted out. But it's quite not bad for me, because I just have to, you know, get the audio separately and keep it on the video. Like this video, what I did, I took the audio from Kin and keep it on the video, so as you guys can hear how much it picks. So that's what's up, guys. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about the K35 microphone. To me, to be honest, it's really amazing. I kind of like it. I kind of love it. And that's what's up. A lot of you guys do not subscribe on the channel. I don't know what's happening. And YouTube tells me you ain't subscribed. Yes, definitely. Get yourself subscribed. It will be amazing. We just have to hit 10K subscribers, and there's another video for 1 million views total overall for our videos, and it's gonna be really amazing, which I'm gonna release soon the video, and it's gonna be awesome. That's what's up, guys. Up to on the next tech video. I hope you got the info clear, so whenever you're buying this microphone for your Sony, know there is a do's and there's don't. And yeah, but for the phone side, it's just amazing. It's quite great. There's no any problem about it. And I think even for the amplifier, because it's having amplifier and you can even keep it on your sound card, which is really great thing too. So yeah.